Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's SOP video update. So finally this thing has pipped to the downside and now it seems like we are in a major support right now for SOP at the moment. So there's this trend line coming in to save the day, perhaps just could extend it a little bit like that. And yeah, you're bouncing off this trend line and there's a good chance that if you're gonna hold that trend line right there, then you're looking for SHIB to basically maybe make a move back up to 555 here, come down and maybe make a zigzag move like this. But I mean, huge doubt at the moment because things are not looking good in general for the whole market right now. But you do have some very good bounce off the support level, so there are chances to actually move a little bit higher to this price level up here for SOP right now if you're gonna hold support. And if you start to lose support, you don't want to see something like this come down here and close and then move to the lowest part. That's it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one.